Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to access your Windows XP share folder from your Windows 10. So if you have a Windows XP device that is connected same network to your Windows 10 and you are unable to access, I'm going to teach you now. So make sure, so this is my Windows 10. So make sure you go to Start menu, type Control Panel, and select the program. Click the turn window feature on or off and scroll down for me and find the SMB. Make sure you tick everything inside. Make sure you tick this 4 and click OK. So after you click OK, it will search the file online and make sure you have internet on your Windows 10. It will search the file online and it will ask you to restart your PC. After you restart your PC, and you can try to access to your Windows XP share folder again, and that's it. This is how you access from Windows 10 to Windows XP share folder. And thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe to my videos. And alright.